In this video, you are going to see how to make the blurred background in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. To make a blurred background, go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert a picture from my computer. Let me choose this picture, click on Insert. If I want to blur it, click on over here, click on right button, go to Format Picture, go to Artistic Effect, and click on over here and select the option blur. Now increase or decrease the blur option. Let me write here 30, then it will be blurred. If I want to set it as a background, click on right button and cut it. Then go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Picture or Texture Fill and click on Clipboard. Then it will set as a background. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.